Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have this couple of trades short 40, right? Cannot take it, cannot take it, cannot take it, right? Overall market direction sideways. And we have a, now we can see that our 40 short, it's a little bit stronger, right? So I'm expecting a eventual break of the low and a continuation. Not that much, only 32, 33, and then we have to watch how is the price going to behave there, right? And then what do we want? All right, we want a continuation all the way to 18. That's not gonna be an easy trip, but that's what we want. Clean break of 40. We change hats and we know where the price is gonna go. It's gonna go to 48. Oh, okay, good. So that's an enhancer, right? So we had a breakout off of 40 finally, not before he gave us 5 points twice, right? Breaks 40, change hat, back to bull. We know that the price is going to be looking to go all the way to 48. In one straight line, I don't think so. So we have to put up with this slow action. All right, so that's 46. We want 2 more points. Okay, 46 half, 1.5 more point to go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 48, we're getting a little bit of a nice bonus. Remember, 52 is the high of this sideways wave, all right? So, breakout long 40 to 48, 50, that's 10 points, and then 2 more points here. 52 is target 1. Remember that there is a squeeze, 55. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so 48, 52, target 1. What's the mid-range? 50, right? Mm-hmm. Look at the counter trend short, right? Of course, ladies and gentlemen, 40 right here, it's a lock, right? 38, 39, 40, from that counter trend short 50 all the way to 40, 41, that's 11 points. We made 10 points on the way up, 11 points on the way down, right? So remember I told you, we are on the lookout for a reversal. Price goes to our first target, counter trend, right? 3 minutes later, right, Mystique?
Yes.
3 minutes later, we get this reversal, 10, 11, 12 points. Right? Don't we know all of this since 9 a.m.?
Yes, we did.
52, 43, price goes to 51. We waited for that break, not before it gave us a recoil, 5 points before break, change hat, 51. All right, didn't go to 52, so I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. I missed it by 1 point, so we only made 10 points here, 11 points, and now 11, 12 points on this counter trend short. All right, and this is what I'm expecting to continue happening. 32, 52 for a while, as predicted, right, Mistake?
That's correct.
So is that all right? So just all right. So it's gonna be a pain in the butt. This 38, right? This 38, 48. These 10 points are gonna be a pain in the butt, but the odds are that it's gonna take it and it's going to 32. Okay. All right. So in other words, that counter trend short is going to turn. Is going to eventually turn into the main play, breaking 38. Right. So 44, right? 44, 44. Nice recoil. Takes 44. What do you think is happening right here at 40? Locking. Bears locking a couple of points. Right? We are expecting that sideways action. 48 and 48, 32. All right? Expecting eventually, whenever the price decides to break to the downside. So we're taking advantage of rallies to continue shorting resistance. Clean break of 48. I think we're done for today. We don't wanna touch this market anymore. What's the mid-range between 52, the high of the wave, and 55, the squeeze?
53.
53 half. 52, 55, 3 points divided by 2, 1.5, 52 plus 1.5, 53 half. What is this side right here?
53 half.
53 half. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we continue with our plan. So in other words, taking advantage of this 20-point move up, this rally all the way to the high of our wave, giving us a beautiful entry short. And as long as the price doesn't take 55, we'll continue shorting resistance. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at this beauty. Price goes to our squeeze. Target 1 accomplished, finally. And we know that this is a counter trend, right? Goes to 56, 56, and then change a little bit. And look at the beautiful counter trend all the way to 46. 10 points. And that's going to do it for us today.